Well, hello, my loves. It's your girl, Louis Bikeri. I'm back. Oh my god, this week I'm taking you to Moorings Floating Restaurant in Mtwapa. Before we continue, this place is so amazing. Please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, share. How about you leave me a comment? All right? But before we get here, let's hop on into this Maserati and we show you. Well, we are en route, and this right here is my date. Yo. And boom. Yo, welcome to the Moorings restaurant. Oh my god, so this is how it looks like from the entrance. Yo, it's so colorful, it's so green. Yes, that's me right there. Make sure you wear your mask all the time, sanitize. Oh, keep safe guys. So this is the only floating restaurant in this area. Like, oh my god, I can see yachts, boats from a distance, and I know it's about to go down. Okay, right here we have beautiful merchandise. Like this anklet goes for only 300 shillings, and we have more other stuff. We have necklaces, we have bracelets, we have, oh my god, what else is there? Everything. Then we have these laces, these pants, like, oh my god. Then we have these sandals. They are going for 1,200 shillings according to the seller, but you can negotiate. You know, they are so beautiful, they are of good quality, and I was like, wow. So you come to this place, it's not just for the food and the sightings, you can also like get the additions, which are these beautiful African products. Wow. On we go, and we are unleashing the major and only floating restaurant. Yes, baby. And that right there is my date. Don't even worry about it. So you can see the yachts. Like from this point, you can see the beautiful view. Like the ambience of this place is just out of this world. It's so green, like there's no dust. Like, oh my god, it's so fresh. I tell you, the breeze that was here. Yo, yes, that's me right there. And my date was always taking photos of me. Yes, just like this one. Okay, it's no lie, my runway days are still here. Yo, you know, I don't have to sing to you every time that I'm a model, and my shoes have to come through always, okay? Look at this place. Oh my god. As we step in, I would love to tell my smoking friends we have a smoking zone. Just ask for it. Yo, it's an open air space. I'm sure everybody has a place. So for me, I just wanted to show you guys every corner. Look at those yachts. So I was told, yes, look at that yacht. Look at, yes. So you can book these yachts or the boats, like this small one here. You can go for rides, let's say 30 minutes, 1 hour. It's ranging in prices. So let us settle in, and then I will ask everything for you, okay? Okay, so since my ass couldn't calm down, you can reserve a table at this spot. If you want to come at a specific time, you reserve your table, and if there are guests at that time, the table gets cleared for you. You see, it's not so big, but it's accommodative. And another thing, The food is very affordable. You guys, when I talk about affordable, you need to know it's affordable. So they blend their own juices. Like you can get blended juice, that is mango juice, pineapple juice, passion juice, from as low as 150 bob. Nani? So the bigger boats you're seeing on the other side, they cost 3,500 shillings per crew for 30 minutes. And the smaller boats go for 2,000 shillings for a minimum of 4 people for 30 minutes as well. So the price keeps increasing according to the time you go cruising. Wait. Yo, so this place is so amazing. It's like a new spot in town. Yo. Okay, for us, it's a new spot in town. It's a new spot on your timeline. Well. That being said, look at the photos, how they came out at this place. Am I even in Kenya? Wow. Oh yeah, cheers. We had to taste the mango juice. You know, we always like, why is it that cheap? Is it worth it? Ebu we taste. Okay, it was worth it. The mango juice kwanza. Baby. Anyways, for me, like, this restaurant did not let me down. It really had a lot of beautiful reviews. Everybody was recommending it, and I thought, why not? Why not come here and see it for myself? So you can see there's also another family right there. So this place is actually safe. Like, you can come with your kids. And you guys, without forgetting, you just need friends around you. So this lady has been my best friend, and the reason as to why she's a friend is because she's always a happy woman. She's a free soul. I'm like, I need positive energy around me. So whatever she says is always cracking me up. Like, oh my God. Well, that aside, you see that bridge right there? That is the Mtwapa Bridge. So when you're coming into Mtwapa, you cross that bridge to get into Mtwapa. So we crossed that bridge and circumnavigated to get into Moorings Hotel. Okay, so that being said, Mtwapa is part of the North Coast. You know, we always talk about the South Coast. So the South Coast is the parts of, you know, Diani, Ukunda, and all that. So the North Coast is also to this side of Mtwapa and the major, okay, all the way from Mombasa coming to Mtwapa. This is the North Coast. Alright, so we moved around for a bit. We actually took a boat ride with another couple that was here, but apparently I lost the clip. I was so disappointed, but you know, we have to go on. So after this, we actually ordered some food and we had our Hawaiian pizza. I just love pizza with the pineapple topping. Some people find it crazy or weird, but yo, photo moto ndio hii hapa. So we had our pizza as we watched the sunset. It was so beautiful, and believe me, these people make the best pizza I've ever tasted. I've had pizza in Mombasa in some spots, but some people cook it like it's so heavy, like the middle part doesn't get cooked well. I just love the pizza they have here because it's well cooked, it's tasty, it's, oh my God, trust me, you just need to come here and try this, okay? Oh my God, the ambience of this place is just out of this world. Yo, time was moving fast. The sun was going down. The night was almost coming up. It was around 6 past. It's past 6 here. And then I see we had other people renting the bigger boat. Yeah, so this is the boat that goes for 3,500 shillings per crew for 30 minutes. All right. So I think these guys had like a small celebration. They had their music. You know, I kind of felt envious because the clip from our boat ride was spoiled. I couldn't like use it. I don't know, I got disappointed. I felt jealous. I needed to bring mine here. But look at that setting. Oh my god. And then you know it has been falling like crazy, so the weather was behaving. Yeah. Okay, the one thing I realized about this space, it's an eat out restaurant, so there's no accommodation here. Yani, for me, I just wished I could just spend the whole day here, the night. You know, they have beautiful lighting as the night was unfolding. It's the same way, like now we got also to see the beautiful side of the hotel at night. And I was like, oh my God. You see that boat is coming back. Wow. Wow, look at the lighting behind me. Like this place looks so peaceful, but it was time to go home. Oh yes, yes. Okay, so let us take in the view in the night before we check. Wow, wow. I just can't believe we came here during midday. Actually, we came at midday and we are leaving after 7. As I always say, we live every day and we die once. Before that day comes, my friend, live your life to the fullest, okay? And always spread love, not hate. You don't know what people are going through out here, okay?